Lady Zamar's embarrassing dress accidentally steals the show, Miss SA 2018. While Lady Zamar gave a rocking performance at the glitzy Miss SA pageant on Sunday night, her peach jumpsuit has become the butt of all jokes on social media. Everyone knows that there is zero chill in Mzansi. Mzansi decided that Lady Zamar's fashion sense has been cancelled and that her current designer should be fired. Thousands of followers poked fun at the singer's peach jumpsuit, comparing it to all sorts of things including an orange Teletubby, while her boots were compared to the Lucky Star tin fish wrapper. The peach jumpsuit was designed by Pineapple Designs and had silver details with a puffy bow-like addition. Lady Zamar posted a screen grab of her name on the trends list and later posted an image of herself and said, "Happiest girls are the prettiest." Yeah.